Hello all. In this video, we are going to learn about the title Bipolar Junction Transistor in the unit Power Semiconductor Devices from the subject Industrial Electronics. So previously we have learned about the title called Silicon Controlled Rectifier, which is SCR. SCR is like a power semiconductor device which is used for turning on and off, and it is used for providing power supply and current power supply, which is nothing but the current and voltage to the circuit particularly. So this SCR could be used in AC voltage, AC power control, DC power control. It could be used in battery chargers. It could be used in inverters. It could also be used in industrial drives. So the main function of this SCR is nothing but the solid state switch. It is like it acts as a switch. So coming to the title, bipolar junction transistor, it is having three layers in it. It is having three terminals in it. It is a semiconductor device. The three terminals in it are the emitter, base, and the collector. We have two types of configurations in bipolar junction transistor. One is the BJT, that is BJT. So the two transistor configurations are PNP and NPN transistor. So PNP transistor means two P layers will be there, one N layer will be there. NPN transistor means two N layers will be there and one P layer will be there. Always N layer will always be having so much of electrons in it. P layer will be having so much of holes in it. We know very well that flow of electrons is correct. So when the flow of electrons is monitored, current flows or current is blocked or partially the current flows. So that is the main purpose of the bipolar junction transistor. So two configurations are there. It is like model. One is a NPN transistor and another one is a PNP transistor. So both the transistors can handle high voltage current as well as high voltage as well as high current in it. So that is the main purpose of the power semiconductor devices. Whenever I want to amplify the power, increase the power, which is in very small amount, I could uh, use this bipolar junction transistor. So this could also be used in switching circuits. Uh, it could also be used in motor drives. It could also be used in control systems. While developing robots, these types of small devices like MOSFET, IGBT, BJT, these types of semiconductor devices could be efficiently used while developing robots. That is the main purpose of these devices. So this is the circuit representation, circuit symbol for PNP and NPN transistor. The three terminals which I have mentioned are the base terminal, collector terminal, and the emitter terminal. So the current which flows through the base terminal is IB, capital IB. The current which flows through IE through the emitter is the IE. The current which flows through the collector is nothing but IC. The voltage which occurs between the collector and the emitter terminal would be VCE. The voltage which exists between the base and the collector will be VBC. The voltage which exists between the base and the emitter will be VBE. So in both the configurations, it is going to be the same. This type of bipolar junction transistors are mainly used for amplifier purpose. It is used in electronic switches to turn on, turn off. It could be used in oscillators. If I want to regulate the voltage, then these types of devices could be used as voltage regulators. In LED drivers, it could be used. In motor drivers, it could be used. So this in the construction, we could see the block diagram of NPN and PNP transistors. So P layers are there. The outer layers are the N layers. The inner layer is the P layer in NPN type. The outer layers are the P layers and the inner layer is the N layer in the PNP type of transistor. So base acts as a dobbed one. Collector will always be collecting the electrons. Emitter will always be emitting the charge carriers. So base is like middle intermediate between the collector and the emitter. So the base will be lightly dopped usually. So here we could see the characteristics, input characteristics of this bipolar junction transistor. So these types of transistors are widely used in power supplies, drivers, amplifiers, in electronic timers as well. So here we have one assessment question. I hope you would have found the video to be useful. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Radhika.